Hi friends, this is your Blender Boy Dinesh. Today I'm going to show you how to make a scroll animation, means a scroll flyer or a scroll invitation. So let's start. Before that, let's ensure that you have activated or you have clicked the extra object curve and node wrangler, node, node wrangler. So it's okay. Save preferences and close. Now let's add a plane mesh and don't move this plane mesh in object mode because we need this center to this edge. So go to edit mode and move along y-axis. You can see this y. So top view, move along this y-axis. So grab and y-axis, type y and somewhere here and press Ctrl near the x-axis and press Ctrl and click. Now you need to press Ctrl when you come somewhere here near this x-axis, so it will correctly position in this x-axis and this center, this object gravity point is here. So now it's okay. Now let's mirror this one. So jet mode or edit mode, no problem. And now mirror this one. So apply mirror modifier in y-axis and untick X. No need to add clip. So and scale this one. So don't apply mirror, just minimize and scale this one uh, along y-axis first. Scale along y here. Okay, and scale again along x-axis. Enough. Now it's okay. Now let's subdivide this one. Click this one and go to edit mode. Here click this loop cut and change the number of loop cuts into the right number like 50, 60, 70, whatever. Just type 70 something and enter and click. It's okay because we need to scroll this one, so we need these loop cuts. It's okay. Go to object mode. Now let's add a curve. So we need to assign the scroll shape by using the curves. So let's add a curve and scroll here, curve spirals, and select the first one. Okay, and then you need to change this curve options here and click that one. Change the turns into 4 turns and steps 24 is okay. Radius grout 0. Minus 0.4 minus 0.04. Okay, change the radius into 0.03, 0.3, 0.3 is fine. Height is okay, and that's all. and close. Now go to, okay, now select all and rotate this one along y axis. So type R and type y and type 90. Now check the right here and all vertices are selected, and then move this one along the y axis somewhere here. So move z axis, so G and Z somewhere here, and T and Y somewhere here, and select this first vertex and extrude this one somewhere here. Here, so click this one and type E to extrude and along y axis. So type Y and click on that. Okay, for now, and go to object mode and okay. Then assign this our sheet to this curve. So click this plane and go to this modifier, add a modifier, click this curve. In modifier properties, click this curve and move this curve on the top of mirror modifier. So click here and drag this one top, and curve is okay if you want to change the name, and curve object is spiral. This is the spiral, so curve object is spiral, and axis should be minus y. You can check whether it's okay or not. Just click minus y, and okay, fine, minimize. Don't apply, just minimize. Now, okay, click this curve spiral and grab along y-axis. Grab along y-axis. You can check it's rotating, and there's a gap. You see, it's rotating, but in different direction. Okay, so escape. Select that curve and go to edit mode and select all and right click, uh, switch direction. Click this switch direction. Okay. Okay, now go to object mode and grab along y-axis. You can shift. Okay, it's moving. It's okay. Now you can see a gap. There are two planes rolling, so there's a gap, so we need to join that one. So escape, click this scrolls and go to edit mode and select this all. So a select all, select all, and grab along y-axis and make some spaces and go to object mode, and it's not joined, so you can see this edges somewhere here. So again go to edit mode and grab along y-axis more and go to object mode. Yeah, we need to move little more. So again move along y-axis, yeah, here, and check small gap is there. So again let's move, grab along y, little bit more, edit mode. Yeah, it's joined, so it's okay. Now let's check the spiral. grab along Y. Okay, it's perfect. Right, perfect. Okay, and escape. Now, if you want apply shade smooth, apply it smoothly. Um, then let's add our scroll scroll pole or something. So let's add cylinder mesh. Okay, on view, rotate this cylinder mesh 90 degrees. Okay, scale. Okay, and grab in object mode along z axis here and scale it again. Go to this wireframe mode to check if it's okay. Go to yeah this radius and this one. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, go to this view and scale along x-axis here. Okay, and we need to apply mirror, so we need to cut somewhere here. So go to edit mode, loop cut in the middle, and select here and delete it. Okay, we have add more loop cuts. Control V and select loop cut, and here change the loop cut into 1. Now click somewhere here and select the side and delete excess. Now it's okay. It's okay. And leave the wireframe mode and go to object mode and side view. Move this one here. So grab along y-axis. Yeah, yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Now let's edit move. Go to edit mode and select this face. Extrude it. So type E and scale it like type S. Okay. Okay. Again extrude somewhere here. Again type E and scale it. Then extrude. Again extrude and scale. Yeah. And extrude outside. Scale it. Not bevel. Scale it. It's okay. It's better. And leave this edit mode. Okay. And click shade. Okay. shade mode. If you don't want, leave it. And if I apply modify, we can change the smooth angle. So click this auto smooth and reduce some angle. Leave this auto smooth and reduce some angle. So click auto smooth and change this angle. You can see changing. Auto smooth. When I increase the angle, it's changing. It's perfect. Like this, it's enough. Okay. That's enough. And click this cylinder. You can see cylinder and add a modifier, mirror modifier. Click mirror and the mirror object should be this plane, not this spiral. So here click this mirror object and select the plane. So it's mirrored this way, and we need uh, not only this side, we need this side also. For that, just click this y axis. So okay, we have it. Now let's check how is scroll working. So click the spiral and click the spiral and grab along y axis. Only the scroll is only the plane is scrolling. So we need to assign as we need to assign parent object. So click this cylinder and click this cylinder and click this spiral, control and click and control P, click this object. So it's okay. Now let's check. Click this spiral and grab, yeah, along y axis. It's moving. It's moving but not rotating. Okay. You can check. Grab along y. It's moving but not rotating. For that, we need to assign some transformation. So for that, it's rotating. So we need to find rotation. We need to find the diameter of this cylinder. So for that, we can check here the diameter. Just type in here item. There's a transform box. You can find the dimensions here. So that dimension like this. So we are not sure about these dimensions because there were some more movements and those things. So it's the rotation is also there. So we have applied. So let's check. For that, just press Ctrl A and click this rotation. Okay, now it's okay. Ctrl A and click this rotation. So it's okay. This is the diameter of this cylinder. So for the transformation, this cylinder should rotate. Cylinder should be rotated. So we need that circumference. For that, we need to have the diameter of this cylinder. So this is the diameter, the z-axis one. So copy that one, and we can find this circumferences by multiplying with pi. So it's okay. We have copied this one. Control C, copy. Let me, okay. We have copied that diameter. So for that, next let's add some constraints to this uh, cylinder. So click this one, and here this is the object constraint properties. Click this properties and add transformation. So click transformation. Then you can find the option here. Just click this target as a spiral. So target should be spiral, and tick this extrapolate and change this target workspace from workspace to local space, and owner also local space, and map from this location. So location, you can see this y-axis. So location y-axis maximum should be this circumference. So click this maximum and paste what we have copied. So paste and do this end and multiply with pi. Just type pi and enter. Okay, and map to rotation. So we need to rotate this cylinder. So map to rotation, x source. Okay, x source, and the source axis should be y axis. Okay, and maximum rotation should be minus 360. If you type just 360 this way, so we need minus 360, and let's check everything is fine. Yeah, everything is okay. Oh, sorry, here map to rotation, not location. So here, sorry guys. Okay, map to rotation here. Source axis y, it's okay, and maximum minus 360. Yeah, it's okay. Now let's click the spiral and the graph along y-axis. Yeah, it's rotating. G, G along y, you can see it's rotating. Yeah, so that's all. And you see it's colliding. Two cylinders are colliding, and along y, it's limitless. You see? So we should add another constraint to limit these movements. So these movements are controlled by this spiral. So we need to add a constraint to this spiral as a limit location. So a spiral location. When we grab this spiral somewhere here, it's changed. So we need to control the spiral location. So add constraint. So make sure the spiral is selected and add new constraint and limit location, not rotation, limit location, and okay, tick all these tick boxes, and we need to change this location owner setting to local space, and here this green lines y-axis, you can check here y-axis, the green line. So according to our model, we need to change, or we need to limit locations along y-axis only. So here local space okay, affect transform is okay, and assign maximum y-axis, let's assign 2 meters, and assign minimum like 0.01 or something, because the minimum y You see here, two windows are intersect. So let's 0.01 is not enough. So let's increase little bit. It's too much. So 0.0202 not enough. 0.06 too much. 0.05 there's a gap. So 0.045. Sorry guys, 0.04. Yeah, we can assign our we can limit this location. Okay, why yeah, limit to. So let's check spiral selected and grab along y-axis. Okay, this 2 meter limited. It will not move beside that one. And here this gap also okay. Yeah, after we limit this y location, we don't need to type y after for grabbing. So just grab, just no need to type axis. That's fine. Let's increase something 2.55. Let's grab. It's better. If you want to reduce, we can reduce later. It's okay. Then we can uh, make animations by moving this spiral. So for now this is okay. And then we need to control this all things by rotating, moving. So we need to assign empty space, empty axis for this scroll. Uh, so for that, let's add empty plane axis. Okay, and scale that one. So yes, this is enough. Empty is enough, and make this empty as a parent object. So click the empty later. Last, click this plane, and finally this empty. And Control T to make parent. It's okay. We have selected this light also. So that yeah. Okay. Select this plane and control and select the empty final. Now it's okay, and control P to make parent. Yeah, now it's okay, and we can grab and rotate, so we can do whatever we want. Now next one, we need to assign material to this thing. First assign material to this cylinder. Click the cylinder and go to material properties, add a new material. Add a new material. Add a new material and change the base color into like gold. Okay. And increase this metallic and roughness of it, decrease something. And let's check this is okay. And let's assign some blonde. So click render properties and ambient. Yes, you can see this shadow areas. Ambient, it's okay. And bloom, we can change the bloom color and things, radius. And screen create reflections. Okay, and motion blur. Now it's better. Yes. And change some environment. Mm, and world opacity. Okay. And let's rotate along this way. Yeah. Select this empty and rotate this and grab along the axis. Move this light somewhere. Okay. Now, if you want, just copy, Shift D, Control. Everything, select everything. Shift D and move somewhere along X axis. Grab along Y axis. Okay. So before assigning materials to this, let's make some animations. So let's start with this spiral scrolling animation. So click this spiral. So we cannot click here. Just click this empty, and here just click this triangle and click this spiral. So we have clicked this spiral, and in first keyframe, let's move this spiral scroll closed. So grab and drag down, close, and click. For the spiral selected, okay, insert a keyframe. So let's check the spiral location y 0.043. Okay. Spiral positions. Just insert a keyframe here. Just type I and I. Okay. And let's in 60 means 2 seconds enough. So in 90 3 seconds, change the spiral uh, movement, spiral yeah, movement. In 90 it should be opened. So grab this y location or just change here. Grab the 2 point. Okay, close and insert keyframe I and I. So okay, let's play from first. Yes. So now let's rotate and move from make some movement for this or scroll. For that, just select this empty. Okay. Select this empty, and in first insert a keyframe. First keyframe and insert a keyframe here, here, 5, and in 90. Uh, okay, 90 in 60. Wait a minute, guys. Before that, okay, let's assign in 90. This should be rotate and move like that. So change something here and V like that. Y change X, change the rotation, Y rotation. And insert a keyframe. In 30, just make some change. Rotation. Okay. Okay. And insert a keyframe. I and I. In 60 also change something like what I want. Okay. Okay. And insert a keyframe. Okay. And let's play from first. It's moving and open. Okay. And in 90, uh, let's rotate y-axis into 360. Let's play. We didn't give a keyframe. In 90, just type 360 and give a keyframe. Now let's play. Fine. Mm, that's fine. Likewise, after this, in 110, change, make, do the same thing to this also. Click this empty and for this scroll, just select this empty. Before that, there are many empty copies, so we don't need just hide and select this empty. Open the plane parent and here spiral. Click that spiral and 110. Click that spiral and spiral y-axis be minimum. So grab is insert a keyframe I A, and in 3 seconds 140, 170, and 200. In 200, and open the scroll V and open, and insert a keyframe. Okay, and then select this spiral. In 200, the rotation, what is that rotation? 360, and the location, insert a keyframe. There's another uh, and in 170, make some changes like uh, location down, give a keyframe, sorry, give a keyframe, okay, and 140, change whatever you want. Insert a keyframe, 110, change, insert it. Now let's play from the first moving, that is fine, and we don't need after 30, or leave it. Mm, Then let's add a camera. So go to top view, move this camera, grab along y-axis, and rotate, grab x-axis, grab, let's take the camera view. So move the camera position here by using this setting. Rotate, rotate, just focus on the camera. Okay. So insert a keyframe for this camera in one. Insert a keyframe I and I. Let's move towards first scroll. So in 90, just 90, we should move somewhere here. So fly camera. So click that camera and shift F to fly and move by using your arrow keys. And move, click, and here insert a keyframe. And 110, change the camera location, rotation, camera please, and rotate and insert a keyframe, and in 200 like shift F, move, click, insert a keyframe, and in 250 just in 250 we don't need anything, so just leave it. Now let's play using this camera view and play. Yeah, it's fine. So our final work is assigning material to this cross. So let's save this one for now. Okay.